Welcome to AORUS 101. Today, we're introducing an advanced power supply protection feature, T-Guard. The T stands for temperature, and its mission is simple: to protect one of the most valuable parts of your system, your graphics card. Modern GPUs demand serious power. High-end graphics cards can draw up to 600 watts under heavy load. That's a massive amount of power flowing through a single 16-pin connector. If the cable isn't fully plugged in, heat can accumulate rapidly at the connection point, and when heat builds up, risk follows. That's where T-Guard comes in. Built directly into the GIGABYTE Gaming series power supplies, T-Guard integrates a temperature sensor inside the 12V 2x6 GPU power cable. If the cable temperature rises beyond a safe level, T-Guard immediately responds. But here's what makes it different. Instead of shutting down your entire system, T-Guard lowers the power draw of the discrete GPU only. The rest of your PC stays on. If your system supports integrated graphics, you can plug your display into the motherboard instead, giving you time to save your work or safely shut down. We call this a dual-layer approach to GPU protection. Real-time connector monitoring, intelligent GPU-only power throttling. And here's the best part: no software to install, no settings to adjust, no configuration required. T-Guard works automatically inside the PSU, running quietly in the background while you push your system to the limit. Smart, precise, built for modern high-performance systems. That's T-Guard in a nutshell, built into your power supply, engineered to detect risk early and intervene exactly where it matters most. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. See you next time.